Alright guys, and welcome to this particular video. So on this video, very quickly, we are going to be talking about the NEX token airdrop. Alright, so on this particular video, I'm going to be making it very short and well detailed. Alright, so without wasting time, let's get to the business of the day. So like I said, we are going to be talking about the NEX token. Basically, I'm talking about the NEX AI trading engine that basically trades your token and of course allows you to withdraw the profit in real time. So right now, I'm going to be showing you how you can instantly earn $1,000 immediately you create account. So the $1,000 that you are earning is like a welcome bonus. So immediately you create account on this particular website, they are going to be giving you 10,000 NEX token, and that 10,000 NEX token is equivalent to about $1,000. The token NEX is not yet listed on any crypto trading platform. When the token finally gets listed, you can then withdraw the NEX token that you are going to be getting right here on this particular platform and then sell it on whichever exchange of your choice and then withdraw the cash. So without wasting time, let's now get started. So looking over here, I am currently on their website, and you can see over here, this is a crypto AI trading large model. So to put it simple, what this platform basically does is that they actually trades on your behalf without you having to stress yourself to analyze the chart or whatsoever. So recently they actually launched the Nova X AI 1.2, and this basically comes with a new experience and a lot of new features. And of course, you can see Nova X AI 1.2 is now live. This actually comes with new tax system launched where you can complete tasks and of course earn more next reward. And of course, they have the real-time performance data that basically tracks your team activity instantly. Also, we have another one saying that they are fully upgraded user interface, smoother operation, and more intuitive experience. So without wasting time, guys, you need to click on the link right there on the video description box to actually get started with this particular airdrop. But before you start, guys, let me make it very simple. Before you get started with any of these, I am not a financial advisor. Go ahead, do your research, make sure you research very well before you engage in this type of activity, as we are actually dealing with cryptocurrency, and of course cryptocurrency prices do rise and fall and a lot of things that's going on in the crypto space. So before you engage in this type of activity, make sure you have done your research, because what I'm actually showing you on this video could be what I'm actually saying it is. I'm actually trying it for the for the first time. So we are all doing this with the hope of actually getting something. If at the end of the day we didn't get anything, we have absolutely nothing to lose, as it is totally free to participate on. All right, so if you want to go ahead and do some extras, that is totally at your own risk. All right, so without wasting time, let's now continue with the video. So looking over here, to get started, you need to click on launch application, and immediately you click on launch application, it is going to be taking you to the interface where you need to register with your details, your email, and creating a password. You also link your Google Authenticator. In case you don't know what is a Google Authenticator, Google Authenticator is an app which you can find on the Google Play. And once you find the app on the Google Play, you simply link it with your Nova AI trading account, and from there you are good to go. So immediately you create account, you get to be right here. All right, so over here you can see I've already created an account because I've talked about this previously. I have my account right here, and looking over here, I've already got about $2,651 dollars currently on my account. But this money right here, I can't withdraw it. Why is it that I can't withdraw it? The reason why I can't withdraw it is because this token called NEX is not yet listed on any exchange yet, but we keep on accumulating more NEX tokens so that when the token finally gets listed, we can then do whatever we want with our own token. Immediately you create an account, you are going to be giving 10,000 NEX token. Looking over here, I've got about 26,510 NEX token, which was around $2,651. And of course, you can see one NEX token is around $0.1. And basically, this is all you need to know as an introduction to this platform called NEX AI trading platform. So clicking over here on AI trading, once you click over here, you can see it says we have a lot of AI engines right here. They said AI smart trading engine, real-time market analysis, trend prediction, and auto execution. Basically what this does is that each depending on the plan that you choose right here, it gives you different reward. For example, the first one is conservative, which gives you 0.5% to 0.6% every single day. You can see the cycle is every single day, and we have the stable, we have the balance, we have the aggressive. Each of them actually comes with different percentage return. All right, so right now, going back right now, we have this right here. These are my assets, and when I click over here on discover, you will get to find out that there are a lot of tasks that are recently added which you need to complete to actually earn more and more NEX token. All right, so over here right now, each of these tasks actually offers you 2000 NEX token, and when you come over here to orders, this shows the orders that are currently live or the one you have executed depending. And when you come over here to me, you can see that this is my own account right here. This is my invite code. Make sure that this invite code is showing on your registration page when you are creating your account. And also we have over here, we have the invite friend right here. Over here on invite friend, this is where you get your referral code and of course your referral link. Each person you invite earns you token. And going back like this, we have what we call team. All right, coming over here to team system, it basically teaches you that each person you refer actually earns you reward. For example, if I refer anybody into this particular platform, the person earns reward, and when that person refers another person, I still get reward. So the referral system is very okay and attractive, and it's well beneficial to anybody who is interested to refer any other person into this particular platform. All right, so when you click on AI trading like this, it takes you right here where you can select the plan that you want to use to trade and earn return. Before you can be able to trade, you all know that the trading is not free. Of course, you need to get your account funded before you can be able to trade. To be able to trade, you simply click on deposit. You select the blockchain of your choice. For example, you select the coin of your choice. Rather, I want to deposit USDT. I will click on confirm. Then I will select the blockchain of my choice. This is of course my BEP20. I will click on confirm, and you can see the detail that will allow you to get your account funded and start trading. Basically, this is all you need to know about this particular platform. But as an airdrop hunter, what I need you to know right now is that you simply create account on this particular platform. You are going to be given 10,000 NEX token, and that 10,000 NEX token you won't be able to withdraw it immediately. You can only withdraw it when the withdrawal is allowed, and that is basically when you can be able to trade that token and earn your real-time USD. So over here guys, basically this is all you need to know right now, and of course the withdrawal page is right here, and it's all as simple as I've just explained right now. Okay, remember the invites system works perfectly, and it allows you to earn up to first level, second level, and of course third level. And basically I've told you all I think you need to know about this particular platform, and right now the choice is 100% yours to choose if you want to go ahead to actually join this particular platform, or if you want to just farm the airdrop. And basically right now you have to decide how you want to make this platform beneficial to you. All right, so basically this is all you need to know right now about this particular platform guys, and I'll be talking to you on the next updates that I'm going to be dropping very soon. Do not forget to join our Telegram channel. Our Telegram channel is right there. The link is going to be on the video description box. We drop updates every single time, and of course this is all I need you to know right now concerning this particular platform called Nova X AI trading engine. And of course I've explained every single thing. Thank you for watching the video guys, and I'll speak to you guys on the next one. Thank you.